Hey guys, it's Phil and Ver with Fevergrass, and today, guess what? We are here about to harvest lemongrass. Now, a few things about lemongrass. First off, lemongrass can be very prolific. Hence, we have it here in a pot at the moment. But especially for this time of year where it's getting colder, people are getting more susceptible to getting sick and wanting to really boost that immune system, lemongrass does the trick. A lot of benefits to it. And right now, Veronica is going to be harvesting some so we can get it dried and we can utilize it for teas. She's cutting it short, again, for the benefit of us being able to utilize it for teas. We can put it into, tea balls, or even boil it just to make a tea, or utilize it for culinary reasons as well. So here she goes, just cutting it short here and there. And immediately after this, we'll bring it into the house and we'll utilize our dehydrator. And if you don't have a dehydrator, you don't have to worry about that either. What you can do is utilize the sun. Got sun? Put it into a sunny place, either in your house or outside, and put it into some type of pan of some sort, even a plate, and it will naturally dry. So let's zoom in a little bit more and see how Veronica is harvesting it. I wish you had smell-o-vision right now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I could smell it and I'm about 10 feet away from the pot.
So we're not going to go down too far on here, but I will try to get most of it.
And also, guys, the next reason why we're doing this at this time, we're in November, getting towards the middle to end of November, and we do expect, probably within the next month or so, that our temperatures are going to start dipping. And so with that, the lemongrass most likely is going to be going into a state of dormancy. So why not harvest it now, before we get frost? And the lemongrass we're harvesting now has the potential to get damaged by frost. Alright guys, so we're going to continue here and then transition over to some other lemongrass that we have as well. Alright guys, so now we're over in our immediate backyard, immediately behind our home, and we have this lemongrass here that has been growing bountifully. We've harvested it before this year several times, and again, this might be our last harvest this year, depending on weather conditions. So again, Veronica's here cutting this fairly short so it can fit into our dehydrator easily, and again be used for purposes of tea. And again, here she goes. The smell, guys. Again, I know I've said it already, but the smell, I wish you had smell-o-vision right now. And again, we're doing this fairly quickly. We wanted to get this footage to you. Again, it's later on in the day, and we don't have as many daylight hours now given time changes. So we're doing this as quickly as we can, trying to get this footage to you. But again, lemongrass is definitely something that is a good add to any garden. You really can't beat it. You cut, you come again. All it really needs is water. There's no need to fertilize it. It will pretty much grow on its own. You can neglect it for the most part, and it's really not going to die. And the next thing to keep in mind is, okay, maybe you don't want to use it for tea or culinary purposes. It's also a very good pest deterrent, an extremely good pest deterrent. It can be utilized to keep uh, aphids and a variety of other pests away from some of your key crops that you might be trying to grow. Mosquito, good point, Veronica. Mosquitoes as well, because think about it. The is it citronella, I believe. Citronella that is put into many of the pest sprays derives from this lemongrass. So why try and get it processed and packaged in some type of aerosol or spray that may not be the best for you when you can utilize the actual natural remedy right here? Alright guys, so we've harvested the lemongrass, or aka Fevergrass. This is what it's looking like now, much shorter. But I think we've done good. Great harvest. Got any questions regarding lemongrass, don't hesitate to contact us via YouTube, Facebook, Instagram.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Alright, we're out.